Today we will learn how to apply compound interest formula for solving our day-to-day life, which is also called as application-based sum. First example, so there are increase in population. You will find that if the country's population is increasing, that is also calculated based on compound interest formula. And also they can predict that after a certain year the population will be so and so. Then we have reduction in the value of machine. You might have seen different machines working in factories or small scale industries. There all the machines are old. They buy with the big amount, but if they want to go and sell it out the same machine to the market again after certain years, you'll find that they won't get that price. They will get less price, and that is called as reduction in the value of machine. That also can be calculated with the help of compound interest. Let us take about our car. When we go and buy car from showroom, it has X value. But after 2 years or after 3 years, when we go and try to sell it out, we get depreciated price. You won't get the same price. Same thing happens in insurance policy of the car. When you buy a car in the beginning, the insurance of that car, it will give you full value. But every year you will find that it is reduced. The values are amount of the policy is reduced. Why? Because of depreciation of the cost of a car. Also deforestation or afforestation. Deforestation or forestation means what? The number of trees, the rate at which the trees are planted. The same way when it will go, then after a certain year how many trees, total trees will be available, that is there. Same way if we are cutting the tree, the rate of the cutting the tree, we know it, then we can calculate that after 2 years the number of trees available on the earth will be so and so, and that all will be helpful to find out with the help of compound interest formula. Let us see the example once more. On the construction work of a flyover bridge, there was 320 workers initially. The number of workers were increased by 25% every year. Find the number of workers after 2 years. So P is given to us 320, that was in the beginning. The rate of increase of the number of worker every year is 25% per year, and they want the total number of worker after 2 years, so the time period is 2 years. Since in the question they said the worker number will increase, so we put here plus sign. Let A be the number of workers after 2 years. So we are applying compound interest formula. We are doing substitution. Principal is replaced by 320 and rate is replaced by 25 and N is replaced by 2. Now as you have seen previously, we are for simplifying, we are equalizing the denominator. After equalizing, we are adding them because plus sign, and then we are multiplying 320 multiplied by 125 upon 100 multiplied by 125 upon 100. Simplification, cancellation, whatever possible. 25 4 times, 25 5 times, one more 25 4 times and 25 5 times. Then 4 I can take and cancel it with 320, which will give me 80, and again 4 will get cancelled with 80 and give you 20. So at the end A equals to 20 into 5 into 5, which will give to you 500. So after 2 years, with this rate, we will have 500 workers. Clear? Let us go for one more example of depreciation. The cost price of a machine is 2,50,000. If the rate of depreciation is 10% per year, find the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years. So principal 2,50,000, rate is 10% and time period is 2 years. Since it is depreciation, we will put minus sign with the rate. Let A be the price of machine after 2 years. So the amount formula will be the same, but the rate will be substituted as minus 10, as you can see in the formula. It's not plus 10, minus 10, because the price is depreciation. The same thing when plus into minus becomes, it will become 1 upon 1 minus 10 upon 100 raised to 2. Equalizing the denominator, now the simplification will be as it is. So 2,50,000 multiplied by 90 upon 100 raised to 2. Further, when simplify, we'll write down in a multiple form, and then we will do cancellation. 100 one time, here 2 zeros, again 2 zeros from down goes. So we have 25 on top remaining. So amount total, it is 25 into 90 into 9, and then we have 2,02,500 rupees is the price of machine after 2 years. You have seen in the beginning it was 2,50,000. After 2 years it will become 2,02,500. The price got depreciated. Clear? So the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years is 47,500. Means the price has reduced by 47,500.